Alright guys, welcome back. So we talk about how to get your profile in the last video for the iPad OS 15 beta version. So in this video we have successfully updated our iPad to the iPad OS 15. So let's explore the functions together. First of all, I'm gonna turn up my brightness a little bit. And yep, immediately we're seeing the top. There are widgets. There are widgets here, yeah, and my photo widgets of my friend here, and the weather widget. How about the pages? And we have the new thing called the app library. It's sort of a new thing in Apple, but it is like in Android people have this for decades. Nothing much changes over here. Oh yeah, I would like to explore the Notes app too. It was said to have very new features. Oh, okay. Now I see what is this. Ah, we got the new keyboard layout selection over here, so you can switch to like, yeah. Uh, oh, is this a text writing to text? No? Oh, misunderstood, sorry. Alright, so back to the bar just now. This looks like an indicator of something. The indicator, oh, your keyboard indicator becomes like this. And you have the options to text to. When you update to iPad OS 15, you can experience a certain type of bugs that are not to be found anywhere. But usually in the newest version they would fix this, so not to worry. Handwriting. Alright, let us try the very new handwriting. Handwriting. Yep. Alright, so there's no big changes in the note. Oh, I saw some changes. These are all my slide over apps. What happens if I tap on it? Ah, it will open the slide over apps. Okay, the next thing I would like to try is the multi-screen widget, which means if I open a note and I open a reminder and I swipe up and I move the notes to the reminder, immediately we'll create a dual screen apps. Then how about, what is this? Yeah, we close down this. We could choose another app to be in this slide over. Let's say for example iTunes Store. Oh, that should be in full screen. Alright, we're gonna slide this back in, slide this down, and we're going to use the contacts. Yep. Okay, how about this? Oh, I see. So now with iPad OS 15, you can easily switch between multi-screen apps. Instead of that, you need to, usually what we do is, okay, if let's say I wanted to open Note and I wanted to open reminders in a multi-screen with notes, what I'm gonna do is I need to open reminder, close reminder, open notes, slide up here, and the reminder I need to slide it out. And that is what we usually do. And if we wanted to change an app, let's say it could be the messages app. We will need to open the messages app, close the messages app, back to the multi-screen, and slide the messages back out. So this is a very impractical issues that Apple actually solve it by adding this small oh, you can actually toggle it so quickly. Damn. Alright, so like this three little dots is very useful now for iPad OS. You can just slide down and change your apps. You could just tap it and tap on the third button here and turn it into a slide over app. This is very easy to use also, because usually if you want to slide over apps, you need to like slide it down. Oh yeah, that's what happens. You fail to slide it. You have to slide exactly here, then it would turn into a slide over. And when you want to put it back, you need to slide this part and you need to slide it back. So this three dot makes it really easy to use. And when you tap this, it should go back to the full screen. Yeah. Oh, another thing I noticed about the multi-switching options is when you switch to a full screen, it is still there. Holy crap. Usually, when you switch your apps to full screen, this thing would disappear. And as we screenshot, I still notice a new features up here. This is the doodles feature. Anything new? Nope. This should be the OCR, right? Ah, damn. Oh. The iPad OS update is crazy, guys. You have text to speech and you have on-screen OCR when you screenshot it. This is absolutely mind-blowing, my friends. About this, yep, nothing changes. About this, yep, everything still remains the same. But this is very useful. Ah, this is really useful. Alright, how about if we make it full screen and we back to the home screen? And then we come back here. Would it still appear on the top? Yes, it still appears on the top. Holy crap. This has been the best iPad OS update ever. But one thing is, you still are able to change the window size of this thing, which makes it like because sometimes you're gonna browse the browser. Let's say something, okay, new thing in Safari, and this slide over here is actually blocks your vision that you need to slide over here to read this. And let's say when you click in this, you're gonna slide it back over to move to see the things on the left. Slide over back. Yep, that's what happens. So if we could actually resize the slide over, it would be very great. And then the final thing that I'm going to test here is um, they say that you could open portrait apps in slide over. So portrait apps, let us find out portrait apps. Nope, we're just gonna do a quick download. Sorry about my throat today. We're just gonna do a quick download of Instagram because Instagram does not support a slide over also, and also does not support multi-screen. How about in the iPad OS 15 update? Is there any changes? Could we open iPad on slide over? If we could, it would be crazy, guys. It would be absolutely crazy. So let's find out. I'm gonna move this here. And very importantly, there is one features that I haven't yet to test is, imagine if you wanted to hide this page with a Call of Duty in here. You're just gonna tap it, make the apps jingle, and tap on this. And you're just gonna uncheck the Call of Duty and press done. That's it. It's missing from the apps. The only thing you could find is in the app library. How cool is this? Having to able to, oh, okay, let me try something. I'm just gonna add the calculator widget over to my home screen because I really use it very frequently. So where's my calculator? Oh no. Oh no. So basically not every widget you could add here. Is it something to do with here? If we remove this widget, can we add it to the home screen? Let's find out widget calculator. Nope. So yeah, this is a very annoying features that you only could add your own Apple apps widget into the home screen and not the third-party widgets. So yeah, it's not a very good news here. But anyway, I believe the Instagram is downloaded and let's test out. Oh, you can actually open it in portrait mode and landscape mode now. This is absolutely crazy, guys. Finally iPad released this massive update because, oh, this is so good. Before that, you're just gonna need to slide your iPad when you open Instagram every time. Okay, so now I will start to use Instagram on iPad. Great. A very great update, guys. So what are the other mobiles only? We're gonna try and download. I know a few Zoho apps are mobiles only. And not to mention Zoho, some of the Zoho apps is mobile only. So let's test out. Can't really recall which one, but I know some of them. Is it Zoho Voice? Okay, let's look at some card scanner. Yeah, that's it. This card scanner is a mobile apps that lets you scan your business cards and store it in your phone. From the last time I tried, we actually have difficulties to open it in iPad because it's gonna open in portrait mode. But now, let's find out. Oh, finally we could open it in landscape mode. This is absolutely crazy. Finally Apple did this. And all these slide over apps, it's very good because we can actually see it all together in the task switcher. Alright, I'm gonna close all of this. I'm just gonna, yep, okay, here's the bug. When you close it, automatically switch back to here. So yep, these are all the apps that I need. So that's it for today's video. A word to Apple. Apple, you have did a lot of great updates, but there are some little bugs like just now. The Notes app actually have problem with the text-to-speech. How about if we enter down?